Hello pharma aspirants, welcome to GDC English classes. So in this short video, we will discuss the classification of antipsychotics along with the tricks. So antipsychotics are drugs nothing but helps in the treatment of psychotic disorders and control the psychotic behavior, which is a unorganized behavior as well as unorganized thoughts of person. The person is in unreality. He is not in the reality, he unable to found the reality. So antipsychotics also known as neuroleptics, also known as major tranquilizer, a agent used to calm down the person. Sedative hypnotics are known as minor tranquilizer, antipsychotics are known as major tranquilizers as well as neuroleptics, that is quite the neurological system in the psychotic patient. So, based on their properties and the action, the antipsychotics are majorly two categories: first generation as well as second generation. The first generation drugs with the trick B top means butyrophenones chemically, thioxanthins, other drugs as well as phenothiazines, Butyrophenone examples like haloperidol, droperidol, fenfluridol. You can remember like HPD. H means haloperidol, P means fenfluridol, D means droperidol. These are potent first generation antipsychotics, chemically butyrophenones. Thioxanthin, example flupentixol as well as thioxanthin. So that is thiothixin, a compound from the thioxanthin series. And next other drugs category like pimozide, loxapine, molindone, and phenothiazines like chlorpromazine, thioridazone converts to mesoridazone in the body, flufenazine, triflupromazine. Next second generation like pines like acinapine, zotapine, olanzapine, clozapine, quetiapine. Examples pines, nothing but remember like pineapples, pines, acinapine, zotapine, olanzapine, clozapine, quetiapine. And next other drugs like aripiprazole, sertindole, and DONS, DONE, that is giprasidone, iloperidone, paliperidone, risperidone, lurasidone. All DONS are second generation antipsychotics. Alpines also second generation antipsychotics. The trick for second generation antipsychotics, POD, P means pines, O means others, and D means don. Don. So this is simply about the discussion of classification of antipsychotics, that is first generation as well as second generation. The first generation drugs also known as classical as well as typical antipsychotics. The second generation are also known as atypical antipsychotics. And generally antipsychotics helps in the treatment of psychosis by blocking excess dopamine action, not only dopamine, and also shows action on the serotonin receptors. Okay, so antipsychotics are also known as major tranquilizers, also known as neuroleptics. Based on their action, calm down the excess nervous system function in the psychotic behavior patient. In the psychosis, the person behavior is unorganized, his thoughts also unorganized. If not controlled, it may lead to the suicidal tendency or damage himself. He can damage himself. So this is simply a discussion on classification of antipsychotics based on easy way of learning as well as tricks. You can find some more examples also, but this is the information I am giving to you. Okay, thank you. Subscribe to GDC English Classes YouTube channel.